So in today's video, I am going to be doing a full review of a brand new tool called Nomad AI. I'm going to walk you through exactly what it is, what it does, how it works, and whether it is actually worth your money. So if you're thinking about getting this tool, just stick around and watch this video till the end before you make any decision. So let me tell you what Nomad AI actually is. In the simplest way possible, it is a tool that builds your very own travel booking website. Think of it like your own personal version of booking.com or Airbnb, the kind of website where people can search for hotels, book flights, rent cars, find tours, all of that. And the moment someone books anything through your website, you earn a commission. That's money coming into your pocket every single time someone makes a booking. Now, the really cool thing is you don't have to build this website yourself. You don't need to know how to code. You don't need any tech skills at all. Nomad AI does all of that for you automatically. The whole thing is ready in under 60 seconds. You just log in, give your travel agency a name, and your website is live and ready. It really is that simple. Now, let me tell you who made this. Nomad AI was created by Art Flair and his team. If you have been around the internet marketing world for a while, you have probably heard that name before. He is someone who has launched several successful tools in the past and has a pretty solid reputation in this space. So, this is not some random product made by someone you have never heard of. So, let me walk you through how Nomad AI actually works. And I promise you, it is way simpler than you think. There are just two steps, and the whole thing is done in under a minute. The first step, you just log into Nomad AI and you give your travel agency a name. That is literally it. The moment you do that, your website is live and ready on the internet. No setup, no configuration, nothing complicated at all. The second step is Nomad AI automatically fills up your entire website with everything a travel booking site needs. We're talking over 1 million hotels and apartments, 4,000 airlines, 100,000 car services, and 50,000 attractions. And every single one of these is already linked to your affiliate ID. So the moment anyone books anything on your website, that commission goes straight to you. You did not have to add any of this manually. The AI just does it all by itself. Now, let me talk about what you actually get inside Nomad AI, because there is quite a lot packed in here. First of all, this tool is powered by some of the most powerful AI models available right now, like GPT 5.5, Claude 4.6, Gemini 3.1, and Grok 2, plus over 100 other AI models running behind the scenes. So the technology powering your travel agency is genuinely top level stuff. Then there is a built-in blog builder that is completely done for you. What this does is every single day, the AI automatically writes travel blog posts and publishes them on your website. Things like top 10 places to visit in Europe in July or best budget hotels in Bali. And the best part is, your affiliate links are already added inside every single post. So even your blog is working and making you money without you writing a single word yourself. Now, hosting is also completely free. You do not need to go and pay for a separate server or worry about any of the technical stuff. Everything is hosted for you inside the platform itself. Your travel agency also covers every type of traveler you can think of. Whether someone is looking for a luxury 5-star holiday, a budget backpacking trip, a business travel booking, an adventure tour, your website has it all. So you are not missing out on any type of customer. On top of your commission earnings, you can also make extra money by adding banner ads or Google AdSense to your website. So there are multiple ways the platform can bring money in for you at the same time. And here is something really nice. You can also use Nomad AI for your own travels. You can get discounts on your own holidays, and in some cases even travel completely for free through the same platform you are using to earn. Lastly, when you get Nomad AI today, you also get a commercial license and a reseller license included. This means you can use it for clients or even resell it to others and keep the profits. Now, let me talk about the price, because this is actually one of the best parts. Right now, Nomad AI is available at a one-time price. That means you pay once and you own it forever. There are no monthly fees, no yearly subscriptions, nothing like that. You just pay one time and that is it. And I have got some exclusive coupon codes for you that will save you even more money. If you want 30% off on the entire funnel, use the code NOMADMEAN at checkout. And if you want a straight $5 discount, you will use the code NOVIP instead. So make sure you use one of these codes when you go to checkout, so you are not paying full price. And just in case you are still a little unsure, there is also 30-day money back guarantee. So if you get inside and for any reason you feel like it's not for you, you can ask for a full refund within 30 days. No questions asked. So honestly, there is really no risk here at all. You can try it out completely stress-free. Now here is something really exciting that I want to make sure you do not miss. If you buy Nomad AI through my link down below in the description, you are also going to get my own personal bonus stack completely for free. We are talking 21 exclusive bonuses that I have put together just for my viewers. These are bonuses that you will not find anywhere else, and they're on top of everything that Nomad AI already gives you. So you are not just getting Nomad AI, you are getting Nomad AI plus 21 extra bonuses stacked on top. All the details of these bonuses are listed on my Medium page, and the link for that is also down in the description. Just go check it out and you will see exactly what you are getting. Trust me, it makes this whole deal so much better. So that is my full review of Nomad AI, and now let me give you my honest verdict. I think this is a really solid tool, especially if you are someone who wants to get into the travel niche and start earning affiliate commissions without having to build everything from scratch on your own. The travel industry is absolutely massive, and the fact that Nomad AI gives you a fully done for you travel agency with everything already set up inside, that is a really big deal. You are not spending months trying to figure things out. You are literally up and running in under a minute, and with a one time price and a money back guarantee that is just really low. This is the kind of tool that a complete beginner can pick up and actually use without feeling lost or confused. So, if this sounds like something you wanna try, I would say go for it. All you have to do is click the link down below in the description to get access. And do not forget to use coupon codes at checkout to save some extra money. So, thank you so much for watching this video all the way to the end. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this. I will see you in the next one.